Okay, now we have our potatoes done for the potato salad, nicely seasoned. They're just fork tender, just beautiful. So what we want to do is put them into a pan. Right to an aluminum pan. How beautiful those look. Shake them in. We're going to add our beautiful dressing to it that we've made with onions, green onions, some hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. So we're going to put that right over the top. Just kind of mix it around. And the great thing about this, you can do it a couple of days ahead of time and it gets better and better as you go. So just put that right in there. And then you just fold that in there so you don't break up the potatoes. But go ahead at this point, put a little plastic over the top of it and put it in your refrigerator, tightly sealed, and get this nice and chilled, and your family is going to love this.